Welcome to Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to add photo widget to home screen on iPhone. For that, firstly, you need to go on your photos. Now, firstly, you need to choose the photo that you want to add. Now, at the bottom left, you can see arrow icon facing upward. Tap over there. And there you can see the option Add to Album. You need to simply tap over there. Now tap on New Album and create yourself a name. Now tap on Save. Now all you need to do is go back to your home screen. Now long press over the home screen. And at the top left, you can see plus icon. You need to tap over there. Now at the top, you can see search icon. You can simply tap over there and search for photo. Now tap on it. Now there you can see the option Add Widget at the bottom. Tap over there. Now a widget will be presented in your home screen. Now tap on that. And there you can see the option Album. And at the right side you can see Favorites. You need to tap over there. Now you need to choose the album that you want to present in your home screen at your widget. And there you can see that the photo has been added to your widget in your home screen. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Login Aid. Thank you.